Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how type circle numbers in Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word application. And from here you need to go onto the insert, click on symbols, click on more symbols. And here you can see the word in circle. So you simply need to select font from Unicode hex. And here you can see that the in circle. So let me add this and let me make them bigger so it is more visible to you. So here you can see. So this is a process how you can type circle numbers in Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.